we are to understand that as God made the world in 6 days, and on the seventh day he finished his work and sanctified it, and the sounding of the trumpets of the 7 angels are the preparing and finishing of his work in the beginning of the 7th 1,000 years, the preparation of the way before the time of his coming. So we start to get a little bit of glimpse here at timelines. And this is interesting because for some reason, and this is where I say I'm not an expert, because in my head, I had the final millennium, the final 1,000 years, like starting with the coming of Christ. That's what I had always understood and imagined. But what this is saying is no, the 7th seal, meaning the year 2000 to 3000 of Earth history, like that seal, in fact, does open prior to the coming of Christ. I mean, that's what it says here, that there are preparations for the finishing of the work that are happening in the beginning of the 7th seal, the 7th 1,000 years. So this final millennium it begins right before his coming, which does line up with the period we are currently in. It would mean the year 2000 opened to the 7th seal, and that began essentially that began the millennium. It's just that Christ hasn't made his public appearance yet, but he is ruling and reigning through his kingdom. And I mean, when we're seeing the evidence of that with the hastening of the work, is that these trumpets are being sounded, the preparing and finishing of the work, preparing the way of his coming, which will be in 2034.
I hope you're right. I've said that before. I hope you're right. So I'm not opposed to that.
Let me be politically correct, to which no man knows the day or hour.
I do love the idea, though, the concept of, because I too have had that same vision in my mind that the millennial reign starts when Christ formally makes his appearance known and his.
Well, we know there's many second comings. It's just and it's not the first one that's like the public, big, right. Global second coming. Like there's smaller second comings prior, like visitations, let's say.
That's the event in my mind that I've always assumed would usher in the millennial reign, kind of that 7,000 year, or what these verses are about, that 7th seal being opened, right? But then you're right. It's so interesting how this kind of alludes to the fact that may not be the case, that it's actually happening before that. And as you and I were discussing this, kind of going back and forth, trying to understand what this means, you do start to get a sense or a feeling that like, hey, that kind of seems to be happening already. And I don't think it's a coincidence. And not that these time periods, these 7,000 years, line up perfectly with the way that we, with our particular concept of time, but it's not a coincidence.
It's assuming our calendar is correct.
Yes, but it's not a coincidence that around the year 2000, the temple building of the church just has exploded. And it's probably a little bit before then, to be honest, even a few years before then, but just this mass exponential increase.
But just think about it, because what we've always been told is like, what are we going to do in the millennium? Like, temple work. It's going to be all temple work. Thank you for watching. If you found this content spiritually enlightening, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Like the gospel, these little things make all the difference, and it helps the algorithm push out better content for everyone to enjoy on YouTube.